Hello YouTube! Today we are in Ein Karem, Jerusalem, Israel, and this is Ein Karem River, and it's flowing. And now crossing the river, and let's have a look. This is a very nice flow in this wonderful river. This is the Ein Karem Valley, and you can see up there's a Russian church and a monastery right there, and another two churches. It flows from there. It started the Miriam spring, and now we're gonna cross it together. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Have fun. Bye.